Welcome to the Astria YouTube channel. We are a Salesforce consulting company, helping businesses build smart solutions on Salesforce. In this video, we demonstrate an Agentforce-driven solution that ingests PO PDFs, extracts structured order data using Salesforce prompt templates, and automatically creates orders in Salesforce B2C Commerce. Purchase orders are still commonly shared as PDFs, but turning them into commerce orders is often manual, slow, and error-prone. The entire flow stays native to Salesforce, reducing manual effort, improving accuracy, and accelerating order creation end-to-end. Welcome to this demo of Agentforce-driven PO to Commerce automation. Here we are on the employee agent screen. I'm typing, "Hey, I want to upload a purchase order," and hitting enter. The agent responds with the Lightning Web Component used to upload the PDF. Here is the purchase order PDF that needs to be uploaded. You can see the customer name, Sachin Raghav, in the document. Now we will select the same PDF from File Manager and then click Upload, select the PDF, and hit Enter. Now Agentforce is processing the PDF. It calls the backend prompt template, extracts the text, and retrieves the required fields. Now the agent responds with the extracted text. We can see the details match exactly what is in the PDF, including the supplier name. Next, we switch to the Apex class called by the LWC agent. This class sends the uploaded file ID to the prompt template and returns the extracted fields back to the LWC in JSON. Back on the agent screen, we click the Generate Order button. This calls an Apex Queueable class that creates the basket, order, and payment methods. This method calls the Queueable class to create basket. This Queueable class creates basket and calls another Queueable to add products, including billing address, shipping address, payment method, and finally create the order. The agent responds with the order created message. We navigate to Salesforce B2C Commerce to verify. The order appears in the system. This is the order that we just created using PDF. We can now see that order details matches to the uploaded PDF. The payment method is also matching to the PDF. Thank you so much for watching. For any queries, please visit www.astarate.com.